Mais ça marche pas.
Ok.
Ah oui, voilà.
Comme ça. So you must know that it was full. It was packed of people.
It's fantastic.
Yes, so they left because they are hungry maybe, but it doesn't represent the people, I mean, you know.
No problem.
Yes.
I'm very happy that you are there.
And people who are down, maybe you want to come down with us? I don't know. It's just a suggestion. You're not obliged. Yes, it's a suggestion. Voilà. So, I'm going to talk with Michel, but as usual, please don't be shy and raise your hand if you want to talk, ask. Voilà. I have to give you a microphone. No, because it's filmed, and also the people who are upstairs, they don't understand, they don't hear you. You know.
It must have been a groundbreaking film when it was released. Can you tell us a little bit about the reaction when the film was released, which was 30 years ago, I would imagine?
It's a long time, huh? But as you know, as you see, I know it's not an easy film. I know the film have a very big emotions, and it's not easy to receive all these emotions. You know, there are a very different reaction, violent reaction against the film, surprise reaction because the people don't wait to have this kind of cinema. Me too, because I don't think what I must tell you. I made the film with writing, with everything what you saw in four weeks. Because when I went, I haven't an idea. Okay. And it was very difficult to me because I presented the film in Cannes, and the anti-Palestinian or the pro-Israeli, it was really very violent, not easy. But in the same time, this is my approach of the cinema, to make a good work. When you work, I'm a worker. They have the right not to love the film or accept the film, but nobody can say it's a bad film. I think Palestine need something like that, puissant,
strong,
and very real. You understand?
Reality.
Huh?
Did you want to show reality?
And this is a reality in the same time.
Yes, your intention was to show a reality in the same time with making something in a film?
Sure. Well, what I filmed is a reality. Only the theatrical side is I wrote it in a literature language.
And so that was my question. You know, I'm always very interested how you made the film. So now you told us that you made it in 4 weeks. 4 weeks when you went to Palestine, or
no?
Or 4 weeks in total.
No, I was there 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
First week is to prepare the film. The second, where I didn't know what to do. It was impossible to I haven't idea, and the reality it was so strong. I didn't know how to make the approach. Then I had this idea of poem, 2 voices, and I started to know how to film the documentary at the same time. The 2 actors came joined us in the hotel, and I told them when someone touch us and tell us that there are a problem here or there or something like that, we stop the fiction.
And we go to find
And we go
film
to- yeah.
quick and then...
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Voilà.
And so, when you arrived to Palestine, because Michel is living in Belgium since the 70s, for the people who don't know. When you arrived in Palestine for 6 weeks, you knew that you wanted to do a film,
Yeah.
because it was the second
That
Intifada
I
who was
explained.
arriving. Okay, sorry.
No problem. I wanted to make portrait of young people, children.
Yeah.
They died.
Mhm.
It was the idea, but
Mhm.
it's idea.
As usual, when we make
Voilà.
when we make film, and especially documentary film, we have to have an idea to go in a direction,
Yeah.
and then we have to be open enough to
Yeah,
to
because
go in the
sometimes
direction
in
that is
the
inclusive.
documentary
Yeah.
we must receive the reality, receive the emotion, receive the pain, la joie.
Everything, yeah, but it's not sometimes. For me, it's always. That is the essence of documentary, and anyway, even fiction, because you have to receive the essence of any actor who is going to transform your text also. So you have to be open to receive.
It's a work.
Yeah, it's a work. Yeah. No, because you said sometimes, and I say always. That's all. You know? Tu dis toujours, tu dis parfois, moi je dis toujours.
Ah oui.
Voilà,
mais-
c'est ça que je dis. Voilà.
Oui, mais moi je suis très fragile face au monde.
Ah, yeah, mais moi aussi, hein. Mais,
Excuse me, are you Belgian or French?
she's Palestinian.
He is.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You are Palestinian.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and so, so every time that, so you were, how did you write the poem? I mean, it's a poem of a book.
Non.
No, you wrote it.
Non, je vais vous expliquer comment j'avais lu.
Tu peux carrément le mettre sur ta bouche comme ça.
Oui. Wow. Non. Je vais vous raconter, c'est-à-dire, vous connaissez Marguerite Duras?
Oui. But no, I mean, I have to translate you now. Okay, you know Marguerite Duras.
Il a écrit une lettre dans Libération.
She wrote a letter in Libération, it's a newspaper,
Qui faisait l'éloge des général Sharon.
who was making the, I don't know how to say éloge, who was telling beautiful things about Sharon.
Et ça m'a terriblement blessé.
And it hurt me a lot, it wounded me a lot,
Parce que j'aime beaucoup Hiroshima, mon amour.
because I really like Hiroshima, mon amour,
Et j'aime sa culture.
and like her culture.
Et je trouvais c'est inadmissible que quelqu'un de son rang rend hommage à Sharon.
And I found that it was inconceivable that somebody like her, of her rank, would pay pay tribute to Sharon.
Voilà. Alors c'était une sorte de réponse à elle à travers Hiroshima, mon amour.
Okay, so it was a kind of answer to her through Hiroshima, mon amour.
Voilà. Et donc c'est ça qui a amené. Voilà.
Okay, this was the impulse.
Voilà, exactement. Mais parce que j'étais aussi à l'intérieur de la peine humaine.
Because I was inside the human sorrow, pain,
Souffrance.
something bad, yeah.
Voilà. Et donc j'ai fait ça.
Yeah, and so I made this. Okay, and so practically you went there. You found you wrote this text, or you wrote the text with the protagonists.
No, I wrote the text, not the text, just the poem.
Yeah, poem. Yeah.
After that, I start to write the scenes.
Yes.
But the scenes I wrote the scene in 4 weeks.
Yeah. While you were
and in the night or something, sometimes in the morning, I wrote and I said, okay, let's go
there and shoot.
And I am not so strong in the Arabic language. I have someone with me. He can, comment dire, corriger.
correctly.
Correct,
Yeah.
voilà.
And so you were writing and you were being fueled by and feed by everything you were living while going and filming the so-called reality, and also with your conversation.
I will give you example.
Yeah, please.
Example. I don't remember exact which scene with the actors, but they told us that in a village they will destroy many houses. And we said, okay, we stop and we will see, we will go there.
Yeah.
And we went, and as you saw, we arrived. I filmed our arriving. J'ai filmé l'arrivée, j'ai filmé ces jeunes hommes qui nous a dit que c'est par là qu'il faut entrer, etc.
I filmed this young man.
On est entré par hasard, on tombe sur la maison.
I filmed this woman, this guy who was telling us it's over there.
Voilà.
We entered, by chance we found the house.
Voilà, alors on filme
And then we filmed.
Et mon caméraman il m'a dit je n'ai pas assez de pellicule.
And my cameraman told me I have not enough film.
Moi je suis retourné chercher, voilà, je pensais que je suis Hercule qui est en train de courir, etc.
Then I went back to take the films. I
This
thought
time I was young.
I thought I was Hercule and I was running there. This time I was young.
Et j'ai pris les bobines.
And I took the rolls.
Et de retour, alors je vois l'équipe est en train de courir dans la vallée.
And when I came back, I saw the crew running into the valley.
Et les soldats tiraient.
And the soldiers were more or less shooting.
Et donc, comme moi je sentais que j'étais Hercule, alors l'équipe elle dit Michel. Michel, attends,
so I thought that I was Hercule, but then the crew said Michel. Okay, I'm not Hercule.
Voilà, donc j'ai dit non, recule.
Okay, recule, not Hercule, recule. So go back.
Voilà.
It's a game of
mais
word.
on est retourné.
And then we came
Voilà,
back.
le lendemain on est retourné et on a continué, etc.
The day after, and we go on.
Alors, ou bien il y a cette scène, le monsieur qui est tué avec sa belle-sœur.
Or the scene dans l'hôpital.
Oui,
Or the scene in the hospital where this guy has been shot and his belle-fille, daughter-in-law is crying and telling how it happened.
Voilà, alors on a mangé à l'hôtel.
So we were eating at the hotel, it was night.
Et je me suis dit, tiens, on va visiter, on a terminé une scène de fiction.
We finished to film a fiction scene and I said, oh, maybe we are going to visit.
Oui, repérage.
Or we're going to make research.
Et quand on est sorti de l'hôtel, j'ai dit, amenez la caméra, amenez toutes les affaires, on verra.
And when we were out, I said, oh, let's take everything and we'll see what.
Voilà. Et on arrive exactement avec.
And we arrived exactly at this hospital and this was happening.
La même chose, par exemple, à Gaza.
Or in Gaza.
Donc, je l'ai amené avec moi, l'actrice à Gaza.
I took the woman, actor woman, over there, actress.
Et alors, on a amené un jeune monsieur qui était notre guide à Gaza.
And we took a young boy, man who was our guide.
Et alors, et moi, quand j'ai préparé le film un peu,
and when I was preparing the film,
j'ai rencontré un père de ces camps de réfugiés à Gaza.
Un papa ou
un papa? Un papa.
Okay. I met a father of one of these children.
Qui m'a raconté l'histoire la plus touchante dans ma vie.
Who told me a story that was the most touching of all my life.
C'est-à-dire, vous savez, les Israéliens faisaient beaucoup de blocus.
You know, the Israeli people were blocking lots of
Interdit de sortir, couvre-feu,
forbidden
ils
to
ne peuvent
go
pas
out,
acheter.
forbidden to go out
Ouais.
during the night,
Voilà.
you can't buy this or that.
Et quand vous savez que c'est des petites maisons dans les camps, et parfois avec 7 enfants, 8 enfants, 4 enfants, 5 enfants,
And when you know that in the camps the houses are little and sometimes they are, and usually they are full of a lot of kids,
et c'est difficile pour les enfants de rester prisonniers tout ce temps dans la maison.
yeah, it's hard for the children to stay imprisoned so much time in the houses.
Et donc quand on lève le couvre-feu, ils veulent sortir.
So when
Jouer
the
dans la
curfew is, je sais pas comment on dit,
Voilà.
so when there is no more curfew, it's curfew?
Curfew,
No. They want to go out.
Hein. Il avait une fille de 8 ans, avec une différence de presque 6 ans avec la fille et la sœur qui était plus âgée.
So the guy I knew had a daughter of 6 years, no, what?
Oui, c'est 6 à 8 ans.
6, 8 years, I forgot, and there was a difference of 6 years with her older brother.
Oui, il y avait
Yeah.
6, 7 ans de
Okay,
plus.
6 years.
Et il s'appelait Hinadi. Il adorait cette fille.
Okay,
Et
okay.
la
What's his
petite,
name, Hinadi?
la dernière.
And he loved this last little child.
Et donc, il a envoyé la fille de 14 ans d'aller chercher les médicaments.
So he sent the girl of 14 years old to go and pick the medicine.
Et la petite a dit, moi aussi, je vais y aller, je vais y aller.
And the little girl said, me too,
Bon, bref,
go.
il a accepté, mais vous faites rien du tout. Vous achetez les médicaments, vous revenez, un peu de bonbons, et puis voilà.
Okay, so he accepts, okay, you go, you buy, and you come back very quickly. Maybe you can buy candies, but you come back straight.
Voilà, et puis, boum, un truc,
And
on ne
then-
sait jamais ce qui s'est passé exactement.
And then something happened, an explosion, we never knew what happened.
Et parmi tous ces centaines des enfants, c'est elle qui meurt, la petite Hinadi.
Okay, and within all these hundreds of children, this little Zinadi, it's her who died.
Et je n'ai jamais vu un être humain face à l'absurdité de la mort. Il n'y avait aucune haine, mais il ne comprenait pas.
I have that.
Regardez, j'ai une larme aux yeux jusqu'à maintenant en pensant à lui.
I never saw a human being so much shocked in front of the absurdity of death. I still have
Ému.
oui, mes larmes, tears in my eyes when I think of it today.
Et alors il dit, ils ont pris le cadavre et à 3 heures du matin, ils sont venus le chercher.
So they took the body, and at 3 o'clock in the morning they came to take it.
Et ils ont dit, vous amenez 4 vieux monsieur, à mon avis, par rapport à moi maintenant, ils étaient jeunes. Ah, ils avaient dans les 60 ans, comme ça, 50 à 60.
And so they took 4 old people, men of 60 years.
Et de creuser le tombeau.
And so they had to dig the tomb.
Hein, et ils ne pouvaient pas parce qu'ils ne voyaient pas. Alors donc ils ont mis les jeeps militaires avec leurs phares pour qu'ils enterrent la fille.
Okay, and they couldn't see anything because it was totally dark, and so they put all the jeeps and with their lights so that they could light the scene.
Et voilà, alors je voulais les filmer, mais il y avait le couvre-feu de nouveau.
And so I wanted to film it, but there was a curfew.
Et Hassan qui était avec nous dit, ne vous inquiétez pas, je sais comment.
And Hassan, who was there, said, no, don't worry, I know how.
Et justement, on est entré, le monsieur était à Gaza, mais il y avait juste la famille.
And so we went in, the guy was in Gaza, and there was just the family.
Et moi, je voulais filmer comment on appelle, l'enterrement d'un shahid, d'un martyr.
And I wanted to film the burial of a martyr.
Et j'avais dit à ceux avec qui j'ai travaillé, si jamais je meurs, filmez mon enterrement.
And I told them if I ever die, please film my burial.
Donc, alors, le fait, c'est que le caméraman a oublié le pied de la caméra.
And what happened is that the cameraman forgot the tripod.
Et on est sorti pour chercher le pied de la caméra, et hop, C'est les parachutistes qui étaient là.
And so we went out to take the tripod, and we were in front of the parachutists,
Voilà.
the para people.
Alors ils nous ont frappés
So they hit us.
et ils ont pris Hassan qui était
They
avec moi
took Hassan,
et ils m'ont tiré moi à un autre côté, puis j'ai entendu ta 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 ta.
and they pulled me in another part, and I heard da 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 da.
Hein. Et oui, ce qu'il faut savoir, c'est que j'ai pris mon passeport belge.
Okay, you must know that I took my Belgian passport.
Et alors, l'officier est revenu, c'est lui qui a tiré,
So the officer who
et il a
shot,
chargé
he
pour me
came back
tuer.
and he shot, thing like that, to kill him.
Voilà, et il était mais vraiment là, et je
He was
voyais
really there.
je voyais la mort.
And I could see death.
Hein. Et heureusement, j'ai une chance folle dans ma nature, je suis souriant.
And luckily, I'm very, very lucky because I'm a smiling nature.
Voilà.
Voilà.
Et alors j'ai souri,
So I smiled,
et je lui dis en hébreu,
and I told him,
c'est tellement facile de tuer un homme.
It's so easy to kill a man.
Ah,
Is
bon.
it so easy to
Ok,
kill a
j'ai
man?
fait une erreur,
Maybe
mais
I-
moi je les juge.
Maybe I did something wrong. Take me to the judge.
Voilà. Donc, bon, ce qui était passé, c'est que parce que c'est Général Sharon, il a fait des grands avenues dans ces camps
What happened is that Sharon did construct big avenues in these camps
avec 5 bulldozers qui sont marchés par
with
Ah,
5
ah,
bulldozers,
ah,
I don't know
ah,
how to say, who are
Alors-
destroying everything to make their avenues.
Alors il me dit, vous continuez tout droit, et si vous regardez derrière vous, je tire.
And he told him, you go on straight on, and if you ever look back, I shoot.
Vous savez, c'est pas facile. Même si j'avais vu les films comment ça s'appelle encore, Sergio Leone.
You know, it's not easy. Even though I had seen the Sergio Leone film,
Ah, je suis seul dans un
I'm
vide
alone,
total,
in an
couvre-feu autour de
emptiness,
moi.
curfew,
Ah, et je ne savais pas où aller.
and I didn't know
Il
where
fallait
to go.
continuer.
So I had to go on.
Et puis j'entends de voix, elle me dit, c'est toi qui étais avec Hassan.
And then I hear a voice saying, oh, you were the one who was with Hassan.
J'ai dit oui, il dit, il est
I said
touché,
yes.
mais c'est pas grave.
And the voice said that he's hit, but it's okay.
Mais ne continue pas tout droit,
But don't go straight on,
parce qu'il vous envoie pour qu'il tire sur vous de l'autre côté.
because he's telling you to go there to shoot on you over there.
Alors, j'ai dit, alors qu'est-ce que je dois faire?
So I said, what do I have to do?
Ils me disent, vous venez petit à petit à gauche, petit à petit, pas une seule fois.
Okay, so you come to your left side, little by little, not straight directly.
Et quand j'étais à 5 mètres, ils sont venus et hop, ils m'ont
And
tiré.
when I was at 5 meters, they jumped on me and they pulled me on the side.
Et alors, et puis ils ont appelé une
Who's
dame qui m'a fait
they?
des jeunes palestiniens.
Okay, yeah.
Alors,
So young Palestinian people.
alors ils m'ont amené une femme, elle m'a dit, tu me suis.
So a woman came and she told him, follow me.
Et sincèrement, je n'oublie pas parce que ses fesses faisaient boum, tac, boum, tac, et moi, boum, tac, boum, tac. On est sorti.
I don't want to translate this.
Non, c'est sûr qu'il faut voir.
I'm a woman, so
Non,
Yeah.
c'est une réalité.
it's okay, they understood.
Voilà. C'était vraiment après tout, c'est au
Yeah.
bord de la mort, ça va quand même.
Yes.
Voilà.
Good. Yeah, it's my right. I'm not a translator, I do what I want.
Oui, ok. Voilà. Non, mais c'est-à-dire finalement, la vie est toujours forte.
So the conclusion is life is always strong.
Voilà. Et c'est ça que finalement je sors de cette expérience
So I went out of this experience
avec la force des humains, qui est comment il endure la peine, la
with the
souffrance,
strength of human being,
et il reste digne.
but he stays digne. Je sais pas comment on dit.
Voilà. Dignity, with their dignity.
Yes.
Et c'est ça, je trouve, le travail du cinéma.
Yeah. So this is the work of a cineast, and this is cinema.
No,
When did happen this? When did you film?
In 89.
In 1980.
89, 89. Ou vous êtes chinois?
No, 89, 89.
Thank you.
Ouais.
In the last of 89. And I showed the film in Cannes in 90.
Mhm.
And the reaction in Cannes, what was?
As I said, were very complicated.
It was already the question. You were sleeping. It's okay. It
Yes,
was it was a very controversial show.
This is because after all of this, you have this question.
Yeah, because somebody asked the question.
Yes, and I think there are more asking the same.
Yeah. I was making a joke. It's good to sleep. Or you were too much in the film.
Yes,
You know.
every time in
Yeah.
every film,
Yeah.
I am. When I watch a lot of films,
Mhm.
all kind of
Yeah.
things, but all the time I am all in that film.
Yeah,
Sure.
good. Very
Thank
good. I see you every time.
Voilà, merci votre patience et votre courage.
Okay, no more question? I mean, I haven't. Okay, we can go on speaking outside if you want.
Merci, thank you.